Are you thinking to do a mortgage in the future? Probably this video will save your future. So watch till the end, because I will give you very big suggestions. Most of people today, what they are doing, when they want to apply for a mortgage, they just go in the bank and asks for the credit for a mortgage, okay? So, how is the normal step, the average step, the lazy one, the wrong one, which is, today you recognize that you need a mortgage because you want to buy your house or you need a credit and you just go in the bank to ask. That's a very big mistake. It seems to be strange, it seems to be, but it's simple, I need the mortgage, I'm going to the bank. Yes, you can go, but there is a big mistake. This is a lazy approach on the mortgage. And if you have a lazy approach on the mortgage, to don't take the right decision at the beginning, you will be wrong for the next 20, 30 years or more of your life. I will explain now why. Lazy approach in everything you are doing in the life never will bring you, I promise you, never will bring you a success. Success is what a human being deserves. Instead, success, you deserve success. A credit, a mortgage, is probably one of the most important financial projects of your life. So tell me why you should not commit yourself on that topic, on that project. Why not? You commit now 3-5 years before than your mortgage, and I promise you, you will have a lot of money later. That's the big mistake what people don't understand at the beginning, or even they know people inform them about that. That's the system mistake. Why? Why in the school they didn't teach us how you should apply for a mortgage? It's not just going in the bank. This is what the bank wants, to earn your money, to take much interest, to give you less freedom. The system wants like this. That's why they didn't teach in the school. They teach a lot of good things, a lot of good stuff. But why that topic is not mentioned nowhere? How to negotiate a mortgage, what you have to do before then a mortgage. Not just ask to the bank a mortgage or a credit. Just ask. There is some step you must to apply before. You must commit yourself. I promise you, if you commit yourself in the first 3-5 years before then your mortgage, means that you plan, after that you will have a lot of advantages just after, once you start to apply for your mortgage, because you will plan how to give to the bank less interest, and all this money will be less for the bank and more for you in the next 20, 30. There are mortgage also 40 years. So listen what I'm telling you in this video and follow me. My scope here with the video of today is to give you the understanding of how it changed, because no people explain you the formula, and I explain in another video. I suggest you to go to check about that. And no people explain to you what can change between one interest or other interest, okay, a lower one. What I want you to do is to plan everything, commit yourself in the first step. Like this, you will be ready. You will be ready for apply a mortgage with the best support from your side, with the best power at your side, with the right knowledge. Because if you don't have knowledge today, I promise you, the world, not only the bank system, not only the financial system, the economy. And the people say, how the bad economy is. Yes, of course, because you didn't study, you didn't commit yourself, you was not in the part to commit yourself, you was not in this side, but you was just a slave of a system. Slave of this system that bring you where you should not be, but where the system wants you to be. So today with this video I'm telling you what you should do. Basically, I already explained this in my book. There is one example. If you get a mortgage of 800,000, okay, 800,000, and which here in Luxembourg is very useful to get a mortgage with this amount of money, okay? In 800,000 in 30 years of mortgage, if you take one interest between 3% or you negotiate to arrive to 1.2%, just 3 instead of 1.2%, you're going to lose additional interest, which amount is 260,000 euro in 30 years. 260,000 euro. Can you imagine that? Are you aware of this? Please stop the video, think about that. Are you aware of 260,000 more? Because 1.2 you're already giving some interest to the bank, but 260,000 more if you give, if you accept, if you sign the contract at 3%. So what I want you to avoid, that's why I'm telling you, save before, be stronger before with the knowledge, study before, then when you will get in touch with the bank and you will apply for your mortgage, there will be the best moment for you to negotiate because you will know how to do it. You will be a strong asset and the bank can come close to you, to what you decide to sign off also. It's not 3%, what the bank say you must accept. Why? Why you are so slave of this system? Why you are not active? You are fighting probably with your company to get a better salary, and after, in the bank, you accept everything. That's not logic. Why this 260,000 you cannot invest for yourself, for your family, for your children, for your wife, or for your husband? Why not? That's very important things. 260,000. Tell me now. Let's imagine that this year, 2020, you can save 26,000. First, I am asking first a question. Are you able to save every year 26,000? 26, not 260, 26. If the answer is no, means less, the case will be worse than what I'm telling you right now. Let's imagine that you can save 26,000 every year. That means that for 10 years, you are just going to work for the bank. That's crazy. That's crazy. How you can permit this? Why? What I'm telling you is that you must to follow, you must to understand that planning is very important to arrive to the mortgage period, the right time to give to the bank what you really deserve to give. You don't need to give too much money. Okay, the bank need money, of course, they are giving a service to you, but this service should not be so expensive. 260,000 more than normal. You are already giving some thousand of interest, so why more? Why more? Try to negotiate. Commit yourself now, study before. In my book, what I'm telling you, I wrote in 25 steps all what you need to know in order to arrive in the mortgage with the best knowledge that you will know better than the banker. I promise you that if you read this book, you will have in 25 steps all what you should do. Furthermore, it's not only about what I am speaking about, sacrifice yourself. It's not only about commit to study. There is many things. For instance, it's not only saving money. Okay, I will discuss about that. It's not only saving money. When you save money, it's okay. But the problem is that you need to evaluate. That's why 25 steps in this book. You need to evaluate the property. Which property is right? If you made a mistake, what you are going to buy? Why you are buying this property? Maybe it's a mistake for you. So in this book, I'm explaining you everything's about in 25 steps. Since the beginning, if you don't know nothing, you just read the first step, what I should do, second step, what I should do. In order, there are 25, and to manage 25 steps, you cannot be, today I want one house, and without plan. You need a plan, you need 3-5 years before to prepare yourself, arrive with the best support of your knowledge, which will support you, the process of the mortgage. With the notary, with the property, with the commune, with everything in 25 steps, you will know everything you need to know to better manage your life, which is related to your mortgage. Because if you wrong this step, If you go just in the bank, accept what they say, voila, you are done. You are done for the next of 20, 30, 40 years or 20, 30, 40 years of your life. And then it's done. Your life is close to the end, right? This is fact, is not about you lose all this money, which you can invest, you can reinvest, you can multiply another form of investment and not release to the banker, to the bank, to your bank. That's what I'm telling you. Sometimes we are doing choice that are really, there is no logic behind, you know. So what I want to say to you, here we are talking, in my example, 260,000 more. Did you understand if you just go with better knowledge, if you go prepared to speak with the bank, that you know, they see that you know everything about mortgage, because it's what is written in this book. If they see you, that you are ready, that you are a strong asset, okay, no risk for them, because you know how to manage your personal finance so far. So did you understand? So do you understand how much is important to go prepare in the mortgage? Because it's the most important things. You are now, lazy people, what they are doing normally, they are going to work, they are asking money to the boss, maybe 200 euro, 500 euro every month. Then the boss refuses, but then they are not asking this money to the bank. 260,000, my friend, 260,000 more. This is something incredible. Now I'm telling you, I want to ask you one question. How much it cost this book? And then answer please. And second question, how much it costs you to don't have this book?